Hey everybody, how you doing? Hope everyone's doing well. Well, I thought I would come on with my HSN haul. Now, for a lot of you, you know that I like doing scrapbooking, DIYs, and things that have to do with scrapbooking, but not necessarily going into a scrapbook, aka my little things I do with pictures and displaying my pictures differently than just in a book. With that being said, I love Gemini, and I'm not being paid to say this. I wish I was, and I really do wish I was. But for some of you, you own the Gemini, and the Gemini is a electronic cutter. And I got the Gemini probably, oh gosh, 2 years ago, I guess, just about 2 years ago. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's the Gemini cutter. Okay. Well, this is a caddy. Well, here's a better picture of it. This is a caddy that they just made that goes alongside of it, so you can put all of your scissors and the things that you use for your Gemini. And it was on sale, and you got a package, and that's why I get these things. First of all, you get a better deal usually with HSN because they put so much into anything you get. I mean, I don't care if it's crafting or, you know, whatever. So anyway, I got that, and I got this little caddy that I will keep on my craft table because this holds different craft supplies, your scissors, pens, papers. It can hold some of your dies, whatever. And they had a lot of different shapes and sizes, but this is the only one I got because this is the one I knew that I would use a lot. And it doesn't hurt that it's purple, and you all know I love purple. So that will be going on my desk. And then they also had this stamping mat, and a lot of Gemini's dies come with stamps that you can stamp on and then you cut. And this was all in a set. And then you got the stamping platform, so you put your stamp down here and you can look through it and you can stamp on exactly where you want to stamp on. So that's nice. So it came with that, and came with the big one, and it also came with the small one. So that was really good deal. And then there's scissors. Oh my gosh, I have never had such a good pair of scissors. And these scissors even have a little ruler. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can see when you're cutting, if you have to cut in like 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches. And these are made, I think she said, of carbon. I'm not for sure, but these don't ever need to be sharpened. And these cut like a dream. And it came in a set of 2. So you had, hold on, you had this and this together. So, and I have been using these a lot, and they really work well, very well. There isn't one thing that I have gotten from Crafter's Companion that I haven't really liked. So let me get those in there. Putting them in that little caddy. Well, in this one. But this is so pretty. I mean, I just love, because it's kind of an English cottage type print, and I love that kind. And then they had, let me move this over, they had the color blend pencils, okay? And they had a special on these, and these are very good colored. They're not just your regular colored pencils that you would get, you know what I mean? Oh, I don't know. they're just a better quality colored pencil. And there was 2 different kinds to choose from, 2 being in the set. Each one had 2 in a set. But I wanted the more, the naturals and the light colors, because these can also, you can color on black and white photos. So I got these 2. And this I got with which is not much at all, and I am not kidding. It is nothing compared to what a lot of people get. But what I do is when I get these and when I use them, and that goes for any of my craft supplies, I throw it right back into my channel so I can keep bringing more stuff that I make to you so you guys can make things as well. Now, with that being said, that doesn't mean that you're going to want to go out and get what I have gotten unless you do have the Gemini or you're interested in a die cutting machine or whatever. Or you like Crafter's Companion. Now, they do sell stuff at Tuesday mornings. I don't have a Tuesday morning really close to me that I know of. There used to be one, but actually there was 2, and both of the ones I know of closed down. Sometimes they will have, but they're the only ones that sell anything that's reasonably priced in the store. And that's why I always wait for Crafter's Companion to come on to HSN, and then that's when I will buy things, because they have really good deals and they give you a package of stuff, not just one thing, and it's worth it. With the color blend as well came a DVD, and it's a beginner for people, you know, that want to learn how to shade and so on and so forth. All right, so that was that. And then for my cutter, the Gemini can use, obviously it's regular plates, but it can also use the Junior, which is a smaller cutting machine. And I'm not going to get 2 machines. Some people get all 3 of their machines. I have one, and that's all I'm going to get. But I did get the plates, because you do need your plates for your Gemini cutter, just so I have extra. So that was it with Gemini, or Crafter's Companion, if you will. And then they had this girl on, and I really wished I had gotten one of her pop-up cards when I saw her last time, and I didn't. And this time she was on, and this is from the Little Darlings. And she's got the most adorable pop-up cards. And this is a card, okay? And everything pops up from it. Well, she has the dies included in this pack. So even if you don't have the actual die cut pieces, meaning that, you know, the decorative ones here, you still have the dies where you can cut your own and you can color them. You. And again, this is for people that like to scrapbook or make cards. She's got some of the cutest stuff. And this is, I haven't even opened it up. So underneath here are her dies, her metal dies, and the Gemini will cut these perfectly. The Gemini cuts in little thin metal dies. And then here's the stamps. So what I'm saying is she gives you so here are the stamps, and all these stamps make all of these different cute little things. The balloon, the cake, all of the sentiments, the cart. So what you can do is, if you have like stamps that have flowers or whatever, you could make this a flower cart, okay? You wouldn't have to use your ice cream if you had other stamps. Like I say, you could use it for that. You could do different things with this. So I got that. And the one she had last time, I can't remember what it was. But I remember thinking, oh shoot, that is so cute. I think it was little animals or something. I can't remember, but anyway. And then she also had, no, I take that back. This is from a different company, Stamps of Life. But it is the and then here the Stamps of Life, the company. I just got the dies for the alphabet. So when I am doing a card or scrapbooking, I can then put whatever I want the name, because you have them. So if you need 3 A's, you can cut out 3 A's if that's what you need. Opposed to if you buy stamps, if you buy stickers, sometimes you only get 1 or 2, letters in each, sometimes 3, but not always. And that's why I like cutting them out myself. But it's a really versatile alphabet. So that is my HSN Crafter's Companion scrapbook haul. But for anyone that does like Crafter's Companion or HSN, I just thought I would share that with you. So until next time, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye. Hey everyone, I hope that you will join me and other YouTube creators on May 1st for Scrap Your Heart Out, a scrapbook hop, hosted by my friend Tiffany Solorio, a wonderful mixed media artist. Don't forget, you won't be disappointed. I look forward to seeing you for Scrap Your Heart Out, a scrapbook hop.